when we started up this journey. We started up with just putting up the smart meters. Now the second phase has come where we are connecting with the customers, end customers, million of end customers, and there is a, you can say, it's a cultural shift now which is happening, and digitalization is basically digital. Being digital now is more been seen in the sense that the customers are now getting into, end customers are getting into the digital with the prepayment. And if you can see that so many years we have seen that it's a postpaid. We used to receive a bill, nobody is able to manage and see their consumption. So now what is happening is we are getting into the prepayment mode, and Government of India has recently issued a gazette that for converting all the 25 crore meters to the to the smart meters in prepayment mode in the next coming 5 to 7 years time. So this is a huge task to be taken up, and we are started up this journey of creating the platforms, as we spoken about that the legacy data centers. So moving those legacy data centers into the cloud environment and utilizing the cloud for handling such a mammoth connectivity on the endpoint connectivity, in the same time the data. You can say the data is overwhelming. When you see the data which is generated from these meters, I can just, for an example, can tell you that 1 million meter in a year can get into 154 billion data points in a year time. So this is a huge data which we are handling out. And in the same time, when we spoke about the data security, data handling, and this is certainly a very critical area. And today we have around 4 or 5 big, you can say, cloud infrastructures, where we are managing hundreds of VMs of which in the end are connecting with the meters in the real time and providing services to the customer. In some of the areas like Bihar, where we have started up a prepayment systems, more than 3 lakh customers are already on call. Many are happening. UP, where people were earlier not thinking of getting into such services. So it's a challenge we have taken up and provided, and I think that level of trust which has come on the systems that things will work out has already come in. And that's where the government has initiated more such rollouts across the country.